Alright, today I'm going to show you how to drill a bridge for a tele. I've done this hundreds of times, but wanted to kind of share my knowledge on how I do this pretty easily and with not much worries in terms of how straight it's going to be. Trick is to get the bridge lined up with the correct fender scale. You know, I've got a neck, got the bridge placed. You can either tape or draw lines. What you want to do is, I'll show you this, is you drill the two outers and you get the bridge lined up, and then you drill from the top and the bottom, and that way your lines look perfect. So what I'm going to do is get the bridge set up, and I'm going to remove the saddles and then mark and drill the top, and then I'll flip this over, take this saddle, take the bridge base, put on the back side and mark those and drill there as well. Alright, so now I'm going to use my punch. I've got a punch. You can use this with a screwdriver or a drill bit. And I just go ahead and tap in each piece. Make sure the bridge is taped to the top so it doesn't move. Alright, the trick here is to, like I said, drill the two outers, but you want to make sure that you use a brad point bit versus a standard bit. That way your bit won't walk as you go down. It's really important to remember to use these bits only. I buy mine at Lee Valley. They had the highest rated bits in fine woodworking. And then as you're drilling, what I do is I go very slowly, pull it up, pull it out, make sure that I'm going down straight, and I'm not getting any walking. That way I get all the material out. And I've got no surprises. So that's all the way through. Remove this. Again, go slow. And now I'm just going to drill each one about halfway down, so that way I've got at least a starting point, and I'll meet in the middle on the back side. So now I've got my lines drilled in the front, my two going through the back, and I'll show you how we line this up on the back now. Alright, so again, I take my punch and I pound through on the back side here so I know where to drill again. Tape the bridge down to make sure I don't have any movement. And then I've got my 4 other spots to drill, and it'll be in a perfect line. And now I'll go ahead and drill the last holes. You can see it goes right through, because I've got the hole coming through halfway on the front. Once I pull this off the drill press, you can see I've got perfect holes, and I've got a template for the Ferrules. What I like to do is drill the backside perfect, and then when the template goes down on the Ferrules, it doesn't move or anything like that. This is the easiest way for me to do this work. When I drill the backside, I use a Forstner bit because there's no run out at all, no walking, no nothing when you use these types of bits. These bits are very accurate, and with using these in the template, I get a perfect lineup, and I don't have to do anything real special with the drill bit or the drill press. Alright, so then I get my template screwed down. I'm going to just take my 5/16 bit, hold the drill straight, and go down. What's nice about having already a straight line going down is this is really easy to do. Don't need to put this on my drill press and don't have to have this taped down or anything. I could just do one quick clamp. Now that I've got the drill started, I can go back and just adjust to the correct depth. It's perfectly in line. I don't know how well you could see it. It's hard to film small things, but I've got 6 in line perfectly to the body.